Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing great and I'm back with a brand new video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Snapchat username without deleting your account. So without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. First of all, open Snapchat and then click on your profiles icon. Go to settings. Scroll down and under the feedback tab, click on I spotted a bug. Select profile. Now briefly state the issue that you are facing. I would suggest that you just copy paste whatever I'm writing here. Once you have stated down your issue, click on choose topic and then select my profile. And after that, all you have to do is to click on the submit option. And once you click on submit, you will receive a response from Team Snapchat on your registered email address and your username will be changed. Okay guys, that's it for this video, and if you guys have any question regarding this video, then feel free to contact me on Instagram. I'll give the link somewhere in description below. Also, if you guys like the video, then please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. I'll keep a like aim of 30 likes on this video, so help me achieve that target too, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.